12-year-old Liu Huasen is a snowboard athlete. He's now assisting a winter sports lab in conducting a field test.
我感觉这块雪板的弹性是非常好的。
I feel that the elasticity of the snowboard is really good. I can change edges smoothly, which allows me to ski faster.
This is the snowboard used by the young athlete just now, and it was developed by the Northeastern Normal University and specifically designed for teenagers. But the price tag is only 1/3 of other reputable brands.
从它的转弯半径、它的强度、它的硬度。
Our lab has accumulated data for over 10 years and conducted hundreds of experiments to produce this snowboard. Its turning radius, strength, and toughness are all developed and crafted in line with the growth patterns of teenagers.
To make the snowboard more suitable for the athlete, Professor Liu took the young athlete to the laboratory for further testing.
You have a bit of flat feet and valgus feet.
Flat feet and valgus feet may make ski athletes more prone to fatigue and injury. However, it's not a problem. Athletes can improve through training, and the laboratory will also customize a pair of 3D printed ski insoles for them based on their foot data and measurements.
我们是通过对于被试者的足底的结构性扫描。
We conduct a structural scan of the athlete's feet, build a model of the sole, and adjust it according to different events and requirements.
这个鞋垫跟我自身的脚更加的贴合。
I think this insole fits my feet very well. I feel more stable when skiing and can change edges even faster.
In addition, this laboratory can collect movement data to evaluate athletic ability and competitive status. It has been collecting data from more than 3,000 competitions and over 1,000 athletes in the past decade. Analyzing the data through AI algorithms and continuously enabling technology to further empower ice and snow sports training and equipment.